If you can't focus, even for 20 minutes, this will fix you in 7 days. You sit down to study, and within minutes, your mind drifts. You check your phone, scroll for a bit, switch between apps, and by the end of the day, nothing meaningful gets done. The problem isn't your ability, it's your system. Fix the system, and your focus will follow. Day 1. Remove noise. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Keep your phone away while working. Create a clean, distraction-free space. Day 2. The 25-minute rule. Work in 25-minute blocks. No interruptions, no multitasking. Just one thing. Day 3. Fix your sleep. Poor sleep destroys focus. Sleep at the same time. Wake up at the same time. Your brain needs recovery to perform. Day 4. Deep work. Try one 60-minute session of complete focus. No phone, no breaks. This is how you build real concentration. Day 5. Reduce dopamine. Cut down short-form content. Limit endless scrolling. Your brain needs boredom to rebuild focus. Day 6. Repeat. Don't chase intensity. Focus on consistency. Do what worked. Again. Day 7. Evaluate. What distracted you? What helped you focus? Adjust your system and improve it. Do this for 7 days. You won't just feel more focused. You'll become disciplined.